Today, we've got a fantastic topic to discuss: how to keep your smile bright. Having a dazzling smile is everyone's dream, but did you know that some of our favorite foods can stain our teeth? Fear not, because we've got some fantastic tips to help you banish those pesky teeth-staining foods. First, after consuming any of those teeth-staining foods, make sure to rinse your mouth with water immediately. Next up, we have a powerful secret weapon against teeth stains. Munch on crunchy fruits and veggies, like apples and carrots. They naturally help clean your teeth and keep them looking bright. Now, I know we can't resist our morning coffee or evening tea. But worry not. Always remember to brush your teeth after indulging in these beverages. Keeping your smile bright is easy peasy with these simple tips. Remember to tackle those teeth-staining foods head-on and maintain your confident smile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.